My name is Leonard Saletti at Oakland here. I teach dual enrollment math. I teach mechatronics. I think it's very, career and technical education is very important for students here because it gets them a leg up getting a job in the field. There's a dwindling workforce, and being able to get those guys already at the next level and get them some sort of certification where they have hands-on experience and are able to step out immediately into the workforce and contribute and go to the school at the same time, I think it's very beneficial to not only the students, but beneficial to the community. Right now, I know that there's a huge job shortage across manufacturing in general, but we need to fill those positions. People older than 55 are going to be gone in 5 years. We need to replace those, and there's a huge shortage in demand. Getting them in the door, getting them a Siemens Level 1 certification is huge for them as far as being able to help fill those positions. Companies want that. They want students with experience with their internships, and they want them knowledgeable coming in so that they don't have to retrain them, so we can help replenish that workforce as it goes on. First of all, you got to get that misconception out of your mind that you're working in some really horrible, dirty environment. It's a very clean environment, and these students are actually becoming specialists, and you're not just limited to industrial applications. They can be all kinds of engineers. You might be a mechatronics engineer, which means you're a specialist in mechanical, electrical, and control systems. But you could also go off and be an electrical engineer and mechanical engineer separately and on the side. So here, it's a great opportunity to have the hands-on experience and be able to use those applications and be able to go right into the workforce. We have one really awesome success story. We have a partnership with a company called Swan locally, and they manufacture cosmetics for every major label across the United States. They picked our high school, Oakland High School, to have an apprenticeship program with. So last year, they wanted to hire 4 students. So they interviewed 5, and they chose 4 students. All those students are very successful right now. They thought so much of those students, the 5th one that they interviewed, they actually tracked down and hired. So they actually are all 5 students, essentially after graduation.
My name is Sarah Carmichael, and I am a junior at Oakland High School. I've learned how to troubleshoot circuits, so if I go into different programs like Nissan, I can troubleshoot on their machines because we have machines like that. It helps us to understand this is some of the stuff you're going to expect when you go into this field.
My name is Mason Pitts, and I'm a senior at Oakland. I would tell them it's a lot of work, but it very much pays off. And it's a lot of fun going along through the way, even though it's hard and challenging sometimes. But it's a very good experience to have, and it's very useful because there's tons of jobs out there that need this pathway and need to be like getting students to become the CTEs. My experience in the high school internship program was a lot of fun. I had gone to Nissan to work with their maintenance team, as well as some variety of other ones to see if I had liked any other areas, which I would recommend very highly going into that internship because you get to get a feel for what the job will actually be, as well as getting the experience as well and getting to know people there